We went to the mall. Welcome to Henry's 12-year. We went to the mall and we found some really cool stuff.
We went to GameStop and they had blind bags for $1. What's cooler than blind bags, kids? Blind boxes?
Yeah.
What's cooler, a blind bag or a blind box?
Both of them.
Okay, let's see what we got.
We got, the first thing is a
Let's show them the box.
Mystery Mini Final. Mystery Mini Final. These are all the ones you can get of Incredibles.
Incredibles 2. Who do you think we're gonna get? Are we gonna get?
I think we're gonna get
Jack Jack?
Jack Jack.
Okay. We think we're gonna get Jack Jack, kids. Who do you think we're gonna get? I think we're gonna get Mr. Incredible.
Yeah.
Let's see. Who are we going to get?
I've actually never opened a Mystery Mini before, so that's actually pretty new.
Yeah.
I hope we get Jack Jack.
Let's see.
Either, okay, so
And the winner is... It is...
wait, it's a black.
It's another black bag. We got black bag guy.
No.
We got black bag man. Okay, need some help?
Wait,
Need
I
help?
got it, I
Alright,
got
you got it?
I got the scissors will help me.
Yes.
Be careful when you're using scissors. I got, who's she?
I don't know. Let's see.
a weird-
Let's show the kids. Who's that one?
If you
I think it's one of
comment
the...
down if you know her name. We don't.
I think that's
we
one
don't
of the
know
villains.
though.
We'll have to look it up
It
later.
might be.
We'll
But
look it up later, but she's pretty cool.
Second
Look
thing,
at the cool powers on her hands and her cool
Yeah.
blue hair.
second thing that we got is another blind box. It's a Star Wars Mystery Mini.
Be sure to show the camera Star Wars Mystery Mini.
These are the chances and the ones you can get. And this one I didn't need scissors because it was already kind of there. I've never opened these, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's another black bag.
A box in a bag in a box. Okay, who are we gonna get? These are
I
all
think we're gonna get Chewbacca.
these are all from the movie Solo. I hope we get Enfys Nest.
Yeah. This is cool.
She's the most rare one right there, but she's super cool. We're probably gonna end up getting like a stormtrooper or something. Let's see. Who did we get? Who did we get?
I think it's Han.
Who did we get?
It's Han.
Cool! That's not Han.
Oh,
That's Beckett.
okay.
That's the bad guy from Solo. There he is, Tobias Beckett, aka Woody Harrelson, doing his thing.
Okay, so
Next up.
it's another Star Wars thing.
Now this is a Star Wars Micro Force. You can
Yes.
see they were on sale because we're super cool.
They don't have, I can't show you the ones that we're gonna get, or we could get, because they don't have the chances.
But they have lots of these.
Yeah,
Let's see who we. I think we're gonna get Chewbacca.
yeah. Wait, there's two.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah, there's
What?
So here's the checklist.
Oh, here's the checklist. All
So
the ones you
first we
can get.
got
Boba Fett.
Boba Fett.
Teeny little Boba Fett. That's so cool.
Ugh. And then we got, who else? Oh, Chewbacca.
Oh, we did get Chewbacca. Awesome.
And the baby Chewbacca.
Boba Fett and Chewbacca. That's a
Okay.
pretty good pack.
Here's, oh, we have two more things.
Okay. Who's next?
Well, so next thing up is a, wait, let me pull the tag off. Is a surprise mold. Have you ever heard of these kids?
I'm guessing they're a surprise animal.
Yeah, that's what I'm
What do you think?
Surprise animal.
I think they're gonna be super cute as well.
Wait, I don't think I
Here, let me help you with this one.
I don't need them.
You got it?
I got it.
Let me get it, buddy.
Okay.
These ones are a little tricky.
Especially. There we go. Now I got it.
There we go.
Surprise mold. I needed some.
Pop.
Which one?
Oh,
Look,
I didn't know they were plushy.
there they are.
Ooh, it's a
Look,
little.
it's a little like
Let's see.
zebra.
Does he have a name on the tag?
Surprise
Kids?
moles. Yeah.
Zoe Zebra
Zoe Zebra.
has always been unique.
Here's,
And her favorite color is orchid purple.
cool.
Zoe the zebra. Check it out. I've never seen a purple zebra before, have you?
No.
No, me either. Pretty cool. All right, what's our last blind bag
OS.
on Henry's Toy Review today?
These are the checklist.
How many surprisables are there? Approximately 7 million.
Yes. So the last blind bag is a Mystery Minis The Night Before Christmas blind bag.
Nightmare Before Christmas.
Nightmare. Who are we gonna get?
Who are we gonna get?
It's the one I wanted.
Jack Skellington, yes!
Yes! I didn't know he was gonna be so small.
Dude, how big could he be? He was in this little bag. What do you think? He was gonna be full size?
I thought he was gonna be bigger.
Well,
So-
he's still pretty big.
So we got a Jack Skeleton.
Did we show the camera properly?
We got a
Check
Jack,
him out.
Jack Skeleton, and we got little Chewbacca, and we got a Chewbacca and Boba Fett.
Uh-huh.
And then we got, I don't know who her name is.
We
but-
got, somebody knows her name. We just haven't seen The Incredibles 2 yet, so we don't know.
Well, I have.
Oh, then you should know. Why don't you know? I didn't see
I
it.
forgot her name.
This is Beckett from Solo.
And then here's little
Zoe Zebra.
Zebra.
Well,
Pretty cool.
that's a pretty good haul of toys for $5,
Yeah.
somebody.
Yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Well, kids, thank you for watching Henry's Toy Review today.
Bye.
Bye!
Look at all the toys that we got, Mommy.